super deep hips, and finishing off with my quickie to middle splits video. Practice, practice, practice. Leave a comment below. Let me know how this practice made you feel and if you'd like more compilation style videos like this. You can see I already got started on screen, so feel free to start following along. Take this at your own pace, and I'm going to describe what I'm doing as we get going. So begin by switching side to side, just at your own pace. I'm on one knee, and then my left leg's coming up to the side, pulsing into my hips. We have a couple new movements today that you may not have seen before. Variations on screen here. You can see how my leg is more extended in this one than it was before. So just take this however feels good to your body, okay? Take your right hand to the bottom of your right foot, lean back slightly. You're going to bend and straighten the leg as much as you can. Now, if you're a beginner, make this movement much smaller. If you're more advanced, you can straighten the leg all the way as I'm doing on screen. Try not to round through your back. Try to press through your chest and sit up with good posture. That's going to allow for the most advanced stretch. Hold it. Wherever your leg is right now, hold it there. And go ahead and release. Same thing on the other side. Left hand, bottom of the left foot. You're going to bend and straighten that leg. Again, moving at your own pace. You can bring the opposite hand to the floor behind you if you need to lean back a little bit, or to the shin in front of you. A couple more on this side before we hold it. And hold, breathe deeply. Breathing is so important. Deep breaths, full breaths in and out to improving your flexibility. It allows your body to fully relax into the posture. Soles of the feet back together, sit up nice and tall. As you exhale, lean forward as far as you can right now over your feet. Now this is the warm-up, so don't be pushing yourself too hard. It is meant to ease yourself into the stretch. The next video is where we get the real work